Welcome back, guys. KP Wolves here, and this video is another tutorial video. And the next video, I'll back to Skywars. Yes, guys, Skywars Hypixel just update, and I'm so hyped. And why don't we get started? And today I'll show you guys how to make a machine gun. It's very simple. A lot of you guys don't know this. And this, I'm in a flat world, as you can see. And all you need in this chest, all you need in this chest is 9 stacks of arrows. That's like the most arrows you can get in the entire survival world. If you can get this many, that's good. But if you can't, just place arrows in your dispenser. You need a dispenser, 4 redstone dust, just 4, a redstone comparator, a lever, and you don't need to have a diamond block because like I like blue and then I choose the diamond block. You can choose whatever you like. So let's grab all these, and the next video, as I tell you guys already, I'll do Skywars. I'm very hyped because Skywars just update. I want to have a great video, a great win. Oh, hello, Mr. Sheep. Okay, let's get started. What you want to do is place the block of any kind you want, a lever like that. Don't placing away from the block. Turn it on, and then use the redstone like this, and one like that. So when you flick this lever, it'll like, okay, I'll do it. You can see it's repeat, like it's turn on, on, off, turn it off, turn it back to normal. So what you want to do is place dispenser. When you flick this, wait, oh, sorry guys, I'm very sorry, and very don't know what to say. Okay, this is a huge mistake. Let me change to creative real quick. Okay, you need a repeater too, guys. You need a repeater. So repeater like that, turn it on like that, and then you place a dispenser. Where's that dispenser? Here it is, like that, and then all the arrows in the dispenser. Excuse me. Okay, all the arrows in the dispenser. Okie doke. Like this takes so long to get all the arrows in the dispenser. But I think this is good because Minecraft has, dispenser. Okay, if this work, I'll be happy. If it won't work, I'll end it video. What? Okay, let me do this again. Let me see. So, I think one more redstone. A redstone repeater. One more redstone dot is redstone repeater. I don't know what I'm saying. And dispenser. If this work, I'll be happy. Yep, this work. There'll be work. I don't know what I'm saying. This will work. I'm sure with you guys this will work. You hear the clicking? That'll work. And like I made two mistakes in this tutorial video, so I very apologize. Okay, let's get all these arrows into the dispenser once again. And I don't want this to mess up anymore because I'm tired of doing this. It takes so long. Okay. Okay. Done. And now, like, you want to kill somebody, just stand here. Hello, dude. And you shoot arrows. Look at that. Let's give it to a villager. It's not very far, so. Yeah. So the furthest it can go is this right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. I'll subscribe to my channel. That'll help me whole bunch. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya. Bye bye.